so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.
Look at this guy. I still have the same shirt on from yesterday. That is because I have not been home to do anything but work. So today, after I finish walking Cam, we're gonna unbox some new fragrances. Okay, whew. So you guys, I am back in the house and I showed you guys what I got from Under Outfit the other day. I didn't show you the last bra, but I'm gonna show you the extension piece so you can kind of get an idea of the color of it. So that was the color of it. I have a new PR package, excited to open. So let's get into that. So it's 3:25 right now. I'm gonna try to hurry up and do this. We're just actually going to get food. I didn't show you guys the date yesterday because we didn't really go out like we usually do. We just got Mexican food area. So this package is from Shay and Blue Perfumery. And honestly, I have been looking for some new perfumes. That's why I kind of did a thing with Scentbird. I subscribed. In the last 2 months, I just have not been feeling what they've been sending me. But let's unbox this one. Okay. Like, how cute is this? So cute. Let's smell them. Okay, let's smell them really quick before we run out of storage. So this one is Blood Orange, made in England. Okay, foreign fragrances here. Okay, this one is Blood Orange. Ugh. This one's very clean and citrusy. Definitely gives everyday wear. Lilac and Goosebumps. Let's try that one. Oh my god, I smell this one already. Ooh, I haven't even showered yet, but I'm gonna shower, and after dinner, I'm gonna shower and put this on for dinner. Oh my goodness. Ugh, that smells good. This is my speed. This is more my speed. And I'm speaking too soon because I have 3 other ones to smell, but I feel really cute after spraying that, honey. This one is Black Tulip in the purple box. Let's see what it's giving. Okay, so this one is giving me, it smells great, by the way. It's giving me Christmas vibes. Fall, pumpkin patch ride, nice cute little neutral outfit. Like, yeah. This is giving me 'tis the season to be jolly. La, 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 la. Definitely Christmas fall vibes. This is gonna be my go-to for the fall. So this one is Salt Caramel. And I just bought like some Victoria's Secret body spray and lotion. And I was looking for the perfect perfume to pair with that. So I'm hoping this Salt Caramel will be that, because it sounds like it will be. Let's clear the air. Yes, I just knew. I couldn't wait to smell it, but I just knew this is gonna be that. It's gonna pair well because it's like brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla type of lotion and body mist spray. And you wanna layer it with a nice, whew, child. I could eat me with this. Yummy, very yummy. And then the perfumes just smell like we're gonna wear one of these today, and it's definitely gonna be the lilac, because that's the vibe. This one is called Melrose Apple Blossom, and this is the last one, so let's do it down here. So let me just not confuse you guys for a second with my facial expressions. This smells great. This Melrose and Apple Blossom smells good. I'm actually, I don't know, I want to say 10 out of 10 for every single last fragrance that I smelled. This is very clean girl friendly. If you like a clean but sexy, sophisticated smell, a lot of these give me a different vibe. Like, I think the Black Tulip gives me very sexy, but piqued curiosity a little bit. Not a little bit, a lot of it. I just have a habit of saying a little bit. But Salt Caramel gives me very much, yes, I want to cuddle you vibes. This is my everyday go-to vibes. This is date night and date day. I want to say date day. This is date day perfume. And Black Tulip, this is date nights, okay? You want to wear something sexy and you want to go out with a bang. Black Tulip, that's what it's giving. But this Melrose is an everyday smell. However, I know, like I said, that the other one was giving me very much Christmas vibes, that kind of thing. Date night, sexy as well. This one is giving, I can't put my finger on it, summer. It's just giving summer vibes. Everyday summer vibes. This is what this is giving. It smells very clean, like blood orange. But this is giving me everyday summer vibes. Like, it smells like summer, basically. This smells like a flower. This smells like a flower. That's exactly how I want to put that. I love these. These smell great. Thank you, Shay and Blue. I was looking for more perfumes to try. And you've given me like an unlimited supply to like, Shay and Blue, baby. Shay and Blue. My house smells great right now. Like, just that. And I sprayed like 2 sprays from each one. Like, oh my God. Is this? Yeah. And it smells now. Okay, now that it's settled, it smells really, really good. But it's 3:40. Let me go get dressed. I'm thinking lilac, but I don't know. I may go with another one, but we'll get to that point. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. We gotta get dressed. So, let us go.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty.